Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Sass from Sass easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have Node.js installed on your computer. Open your terminal or command prompt. Verify Node.js installation by typing node v. This command will display the version of Node.js you have installed. Next, you'll want to install Sass globally. Type the command npm install gsass in your terminal. Press enter to execute the command. The installation process will begin, and you'll see progress in the terminal. Once the installation is complete, verify it by checking the Sass version. Type Sass v in your terminal and press enter. You should see the version number of Sass displayed. Now, create a new project directory for your Sass files. Navigate to your chosen location using the command cd path / to / your / directory. Replace path / to / your / directory with your actual path. Inside the directory, create a new Sass file with a .scss extension. You can use any text editor to create this file. Start writing your Sass code in this file. To compile your Sass code into CSS, go back to your terminal. Use the command sass yourfile.scss yourfile.css. Replace yourfile.scss and yourfile.css with your actual file names. Press enter to execute the compile command. You will now see a new CSS file generated in your project directory. You can open this CSS file in your text editor to view the compiled code. For continuous compilation, use the watch flag. Type sass watch yourfile.scss yourfile.css in your terminal. This will watch for changes in your Sass file and automatically compile them to CSS. With this setup, you are now ready to use Sass in your projects. You have successfully installed Sass and compiled your first style sheet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.